welcome to Crankin' Out Crafts. This month we are featuring unicorns, and to start off I'm going to show you how to transform an ordinary bag into an adorable unicorn bag, great for any occasion. So the first thing you want to do with the bag is I lay it flat and then draw the eyelashes on. There's different ways that you can do the eyes, but I find that this is the cutest. Next, what we will do is choose a unicorn horn. And what I've got here, just some different glitter papers that I cut out in a very long triangular shape. I find that when I do the unicorn horns, whatever size the unicorn face is, I want to do at least half of the face will be the length of his horn. It just looks more natural if unicorns look natural. Anyway, so I've got my glitter paper, just cut out the horn, and I will take a little hot glue and glue that right there. Next thing we've got is ears. So the ears, I like to make them extra tall because I think they look super cute that way. There's two different ways that you can do it too, folding the ears in, and I'm going to show you each of those ways. First, I will take pink. I just cut a long triangle on there, kind of a fat triangle, and I will hot glue it onto a piece of white, just like that. I'll go ahead and do the other one. You can also use tacky glue. If you're working with children, tacky glue is perfect for this. Then take my scissors and cut around just slightly larger than that pink area. Looks really cute when you have both the pink and the white. All right. I like a nice little point at the top too. So there's two different ways you can make the ears. First way is I like to give them a little tuck in the center like this, and it looks really cute, like a little ear, and I just pinch that. You can use a clothespin if you want to hold that to keep it tight. Next type of ear is this one where we just fold them in, and very simply just do a little glue, fold it in, and on the other side, same thing, fold it in. So those are two different ways that you could create little ears. You can choose either one. Okay, so once you have your ears done, we're gonna go ahead, hot glue those on. All right, so we've got cute little ears and horn, and then you'll want to select some different flowers. And we've got some really cute flowers. I just pull the little heads right off the stems and then decorate. Go ahead and make my design and then start hot gluing. This can be really fast, very simple. I think I'll just do a couple here, maybe a couple on the side. Okay, now that we have the flowers on, we are going to add the fluffy stuff in the back. And that is done very simply by cutting a strip just slightly smaller than the width of the bag. And I like glitter because I think it looks really finished and cute on the inside, like that. So I've got my little strip of glitter that's slightly smaller, so it fits nicely on the inside. And then I've taken tulle and I've cut 8-inch strips of tulle, 4 of them, and I cinch it from the center and pull it up to make it really uneven at top. And I'll do a little touch of glue and just space them out evenly. And this looks cute rather than using tissue paper. This is just a different way of making it part of your bag. Okay. like I said, I'm using 4 of these, evenly spacing them across. And then open the bag up, slide it in, just like so. So it is up like this, kind of like wild hair. All right, so that completes our bag. And it's super cute for kids to make at a party, or you could have little goodies inside these bags and they're already pre-made for your party.